welcome to another video, and this will be a very special video because, as you all know, I had E36 325 Cabriolet for 3 years, and I sold that 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, something like that. And I must be honest to say that I have actually missed that car quite a bit, and I have always told you guys in my videos that I of course will get another E36 in my lifetime. And you know what? Today's the day. It is time to reveal the new car on the channel, and that is a E36 M3. I am so excited about this car. So this will be the new project car for my channel. Here we have the S50B30. So this is a 3-liter M3 engine, and it has 286 horsepower. It has individual throttle bodies. If you're a car guy and you like BMWs, M3 is what you always dream of. This is exactly what I feared. Now on to the next thing. Let's right here. Let's swap these bad boys out. Pick up this thing because that is missing in the engine base. There's a lot. Look in there. Looks a lot. Oh yeah. Now I like the look of it without the spoiler. Now it looks so slick. Look at that line, so cool. this is just like the good old days, don't you agree?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, just having a lot of fun with the black E36 Cabriolet, only now we have more power! Oh, but it's still the same fun. I mean, even with the 325 this would be just great. Wouldn't it?
Yeah, but it's better now.
Yeah, it's better now. We are done at this meet, so now it's time to actually swap all the tires. We can drive legally on the road. I'm so surprised of this E36. It's so great. I mean, it handles good, sounds epic, and it's not a welded diff, but it has an LSD diff, and that makes it so much fun on this track. Yeah, nice weather, warm outside, M3 E36. I'm so happy. This is so good. There we go. Are you guys ready? Okay. That's really cool, right? Look at this beauty. I mean, the fitment in the rear, pretty good. In the front also, pretty good. I mean, look at those brakes. You can't even see the gap behind the wheel. The brakes are so big. God damn, look at this angle with the sun and everything. Oh my god, it looks good. Looks so good. The BMW E36 M3 Cabriolet or convertible. Yeah, it's gone. I've sold it. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and a comment. Maybe consider subscribing as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.